Welcome back, guys. I'm going to do a video on Intersect Finance. It's a lending market on Neo. It's not actually live on mainnet at present, it is on testnet. And unfortunately, I haven't been able to test it just yet because I don't have any testnet tokens. But what I'm led to believe by just looking at the website, you're going to deposit assets and earn yield there to use as collateral. And then you can, what I do like about it, you can borrow assets against it. Obviously, if your asset dips in price, you could get liquidated. So fingers crossed, we're in a bull run. Let's just scroll down and look at the assets it does have, or it should have, according to the website. So it's got a couple of stable coins. It's got DAI, USDT, and USDC. Now, that's what I'd personally be borrowing from them. I'd deposit probably Neo. You can deposit all the assets listed and then borrow whatever you like against it. But it makes sense to me to deposit an asset and then borrow a stable coin, because what I do like about it, you can then take the stable coin off Intersect Finance and send it to an exchange. And hopefully you can then trade or buy another asset which increases in price. When you are happy with the increase in price, you'd sell it, get back to your stable coin, bring it back to Intersect, and repay your loan. That's all very well as long as prices do go up. If Neo does drop in price, or something else goes wrong, maybe your purchased assets on the exchange dip, then you could be in trouble and they'll take your assets. So if you do get liquidated, you'd keep the assets you borrowed, but they'd take the ones you deposited. They do charge a fee, which I think any market does, any market you're borrowing from. But simply for depositing Neo, you'd get 3.15%. Which is a handy profit if you're just depositing. If you are borrowing, it's pretty hefty at 7.88%. But if you're playing it well and the markets do go up, it shouldn't really matter. So that's my play. I personally will be depositing assets, probably Neo, and I'd probably be converting some gas to W gas as well. So you can see that down here. It's where are we? W gas 10. So I'd convert the gas to W gas 10. I'd bring it across to Intersect, and then I'd deposit it and then borrow a stable coin. Like I say, it's a really good platform. Like I said, fees a little bit high, but it's nothing to worry about if things go to plan. I don't know if they will be adding any more tokens, but I don't see what more you'd need, to be honest. I'd be happy with just using it to borrow USDC against me Neo, to be honest. So that's Intersect Finance. Hopefully going live over the next couple of days. Give it a check out, guys. Happy trading.